To our inspirational leaders that never fails to encourage all of us to be loving and caring, ready to help, dream big and follow your dream because they shall become reality. Never give up and stick to your vision. Feeling compelled that the onus is on us global founders to show gratitude towards our leader. With many thanks. You deserve the greatest recognition ever tendered because of inspiring us all, to dream more, to learn more, to be more, and that makes you the greatest leader ever. You built the level of trust necessary in us to follow in your footsteps. Mr. Ash Mufareh, thank you graciously and endlessly for who you are and what you do. Thank you for taking precious time away from your loved ones, and for your daily hard work. Thank you for instilling in us love, trust and respect for others. Thank you for stacking the cool on our private webinars by adding one jaw-dropping announcement after another and never fail to deliver. Thank you for the greatest gift ever given by a human being, that is, Onpassive. The gift that shall indeed change our lives tremendously and that of millions around the world. This gift is not temporary either, it was envisioned by you and designed in a way to last for generations to come, so that humanity shall thrive, for a change does not live in obscurity, in deplorable conditions without proper clothes, shoes and running water, which are the very basic necessity of life for a human being just to survive. Thank you for being a true leader, the greatest ever. My God bless you and your family in abundance of health and wealth to bring your vision to the finish line. Mr. Ash Mufareh, thanks a million. You rock our world. Proud to be on your team. I am in it to win it. Homeward bound, in our journey to success. Stefan Ozsvath, Canada. A Bill Must Production.